Hi, I want to talk to you today about your dining room. I know it sounds like something that can be very simple to address, but sometimes people really struggle with this. So I'm just going to share with you what I call a cookie cutter recipe that normally works for anybody. Okay, so I'm going to start with the walls. So because I cannot see your dining room, we're going to remove everything from the walls. Okay, now go out of your dining room, like right now. Just pause, get out of your dining room. Okay, I want you to turn back and walk slowly in your dining room and focus on the wall that you see first. Okay, so go do that quickly. All right, so as you come in, the wall that you're going to see first, that is your focal point. Okay, and if you're very lucky to have a solid wall like I do as the focal point, this will be the only wall in your dining room that we are going to dress up. Very simple, you can do it with two ways. One is artwork, secondly with a mirror, okay? Mirrors are really great because number one, they can reflect light. They create a sense of space in the place, especially if it's a very dark and not a very cozy dining room, so that will work very well. Otherwise, choose for something more colorful, like some artwork. And don't be scared to do two of the same. Like here, I have two identical pieces of artwork, and they actually work very well in the space. All right, so that's enough about a wall. Oh, and the size, always bigger the better. So make sure when you choose a mirror or your artwork that you don't have this big wall with a teeny weeny little bit of artwork in there. Make sure it makes a statement. Why? Because that's your focal point. That is what people are going to draw into your room. Okay. Now, we're going to get them down to our chairs. So for photos, it really represents very well if we do not have a chair at the head of the table. So I know, the guys that helps me move furniture, he hates it. He's like, you always remove the man from the head. It's not the case, okay? It's purely for photos. And also, it actually makes the dining room feel bigger. So I still have the same amount of chairs without the head chair. If you do not have space to put the head chair here, it's okay. Just go stick it in the garage. No one's going to know. No one's even going to see it. Okay. All right. My kids, they push it in all the way. Okay. Please don't do that. So for photos and just to present your dining very well, you can actually add about a fist of space between the table and the chair. So again, just create a little bit of air between the table and the chairs. It doesn't feel like everything's crammed in, which then in general make the space feel more spacious. Okay, so it's little simple things like that. I have a very dark table, as you can see, but I also have a very big dining room. So if you have a dining room that is not big and you have a very dark table, or your table is not in a very good condition, then just go and buy a very cheap, nice, neutral color tablecloth. Okay, doesn't matter, white, like gray, beige, off-white. I personally like white. It really pops on photos. Choice is yours. Maybe there's something in your hallway cupboard, so go check. I'm sure you can grab something out of there from grandma's days. Just cover it nicely and you're good to go. You don't even need to get a new table, okay?
Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, please press thumbs up. Yeah, and please share with all your friends, buddies, whoever you think will benefit from this video.
And if you click subscribe, you will see more of these amazing tips and tricks on how to actually style and decorate your home.
Yeah, and if you have any questions, let us know and we'll try and make a video to answer your questions for you.
Yeah.
Bye.